Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. To download and install third-party apps on your iPhone, you typically use the App Store. However, if you are referring to the apps that are not available on App Store, the process involves a different approach due to Apple's security measures. And here is how you can download and install third-party apps on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, let's go to the Google on your iPhone. Then simply type iOS Ninja on your Google search address. When you type iOS Ninja, there will be download iOS Ninja mobile app available on the top. Tap on it. Then simply scroll down till you find the download or install option available there. So, iOS Ninja provides user with an alternative source for downloading tweaked and modded apps for the iOS device. If you download it, you can download any third-party app in your iOS device. However, users should be aware of the potential risk and legal implications associated with downloading apps from third-party sources as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.